Hi y'all, this is Jazzy Jules. In this self-care video, you will learn how to do the perfect professional pedicure at home. I will also be covering DIY remedies, alternatives, and lots of tips and tricks. You will need your pedicure set, foot files, a bucket of water, a scented candle, and some towels. You can do it for yourself or give your loved one a stress buster with this easy 12-step routine for the perfect pedicure at the comfort of your home. Let's switch to a calming tune and begin step 1 by removing excess polish and cleaning nails from excess oil or a yellowish tint. Now that your nails are clean, let's start to buff your nails. For this, I'm using a nail buffer like this one. Buffing helps get rid of any ridges, bumps, and uneven texture, leaving your nail with a smooth surface for a perfect nail polish application. This is one of the easiest tools to use. It has all the steps marked out, and you just have to go with it. Once you're through all the steps following the buffer, we have one more step before we soak away, bringing me to step 3, clipping and shaping. All of these steps must be done when the feet are dry. Clip your nails to your desired length and shape. Next, we're going to trim and shape the edges using a nail file. Make sure you are filing in one direction only. Avoid filing in a back and forth sawing motion, especially with a metal file. I would also recommend getting a glass nail file as they are very gentle and don't tear the nail like a metal file. And you can also file in both directions. For the soak, you're going to need a bucket of hot water to which I'm squeezing a juice of 1 whole lemon. I'm also going to add some hand wash. You can alternate this with shampoo for cleaning the feet. And finally, we're going to add some Epsom salt. I'm using a ginger foot bath salt. If you don't have this, you could use regular salt. Salt helps with inflammation and irritation. The treatment is to relax your tired toes, soften the skin and the toenails to prepare for the next step. So soak in warm water for about 10 minutes. Now for some exfoliation. Let's scrub away all of those impurities and dead skin and get those feet shining with step 6. Now scrubbers come in different shapes and sizes and functionalities. As you can see, I used the pink scrub in a previous video on nail manicure. I'm gonna use this long blue one for better reach. As you can see, it has a long handle. I'm going to add some more hand wash and start scrubbing my feet, starting with right at the top, all through the nails, under the nail. Once you're done scrubbing both your feet, rinse and pat dry. We're now halfway through our 12-step pedicure at home. In this step, I'm going to be taking care of my cuticles. I'm just going to take a little bit of this gel, apply it all over my nails, and let it soak in for about 5 minutes on both feet. With the help of a cuticle pusher, this angled shaped brush, start pushing the cuticles back. This helps your nails grow healthier and stronger. The cuticle gel has softened my cuticles, allowing me to easily push back my cuticles. If you don't have a cuticle gel or cream or a remover, you can alternate by using Vaseline or any heavy thick cream. Another alternative for a cuticle pusher is an orange wood stick. If you have soft cuticles, use a wooden one. We are now into the most important step of the treatment, step 7, dead skin removal. For this, bring out your manicure or pedicure kit and pick out these two tools. With the help of the sharp tool, I'm going to scrape off from the side of the nail bed and under your nail. If you're getting value watching this video, let me know by hitting the like button for me. Thank you so much. And in the comment section below, I'd love to read your experience trying this at home and any suggestions or recommendations. Also consider subscribing to my channel for similar content. This is a fork-shaped manicure tool to remove all of the dead skin in your cuticle area and around the nail bed. After the nail care, let's show some love to our heels. This job is done by the foot file. There are so many options. I personally prefer the sturdy wooden one with a long handle and the slightly curved file. Like other foot files, this also has two sides, a coarse and a medium grit. The angled file fits comfortably to the shape of my heel and allows me to control the amount of pressure I apply. I'm using the rougher grit first to level the field and then alternate with the smaller grit till I smooth out every single rough, cracked spot. If you have corn or callus, you can scrape them away using a pumice stone. Use this after a shower and you will have super smooth heels. Another recommendation is this foot buffer infused with lavender tea tree oil and has a creamy lather which is best for exfoliating and moisturizing. This is step 9, exfoliating the skin using a foot scrub. I love the aroma of peppermint, so I'm using Body Shop's peppermint scrub. I tried DIYing this scrub and it turned out pretty great. You can find the link in the description box below or here in the top right corner of the screen. After giving your feet a good scrub, rinse and pat dry. This step is optional. But if you're here to enjoy the complete spa experience, you can prepare a foot pack at home with 2 ingredients, a tablespoon of Fuller's Earth and some rose water. I've used this in a previous video for a hand mask and it had amazing results. Once you feel the mask is dry, rinse in warm water and pat dry. With step 11, we're going to seal all this goodness with some creamy body butter and a relaxing massage. Massage gently until all of that butter melts into the skin. And the final step in the 12-step pedicure treatment is polish application. Pick out your favorite color and create some fun designs and patterns if you like. Here's the final look, guys. If you followed every step, I'm sure you'll end up with a pair of well-groomed feet. Indulge in self-care this weekend. See you in my next video.